Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share useful tips and information on various legal topics. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Houston maritime attorneys and why you might need one if you work in the maritime industry. The maritime industry is one of the most important and dangerous sectors of the economy. It involves transporting goods and people across oceans, rivers, lakes, and other waterways. It also includes offshore drilling, fishing, shipbuilding, and other activities that take place on or near the water. If you work in the maritime industry, you know that accidents can happen at any time. You may suffer injuries or illnesses due to negligence, defective equipment, hazardous conditions, or human error. You may also lose a loved one due to a fatal accident on the water. If you work in the maritime industry, you know that accidents can happen at any time. You may suffer injuries or illnesses due to negligence, defective equipment, hazardous conditions, or human error. You may also lose a loved one due to a fatal accident on the water. When these tragedies occur, you need a Houston maritime attorney who can help you protect your rights and get the compensation you deserve. A Houston maritime attorney is a lawyer who specializes in maritime law, which is a complex and unique area of the law that governs the rights and responsibilities of maritime workers and employers. Maritime law covers a variety of federal and state statutes, regulations, and international treaties that apply to different types of maritime workers and situations. Some of the most common laws that affect maritime workers are the Jones Act. This law allows seamen who are injured or killed due to negligence or unseaworthiness of their vessel to sue their employer for damages. The Death on the High Seas Act. This law allows the surviving family members of seamen who die as a result of negligence or wrongful act on the high seas to recover damages from the responsible party. The Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act. This law provides workers' compensation benefits to non-seamen who are injured or killed while working on or near navigable waters. The General Maritime Law. This is a body of common law principles that apply to all maritime workers and cases. It includes concepts such as maintenance and cure, unseaworthiness, comparative negligence, and maritime liens. As you can see, maritime law is not something that you can handle on your own. You need a Houston maritime attorney who has the knowledge, experience, and resources to handle your case effectively. A Houston maritime attorney can help you investigate your accident and gather evidence, determine the cause and liability of your accident, identify all the potential sources of compensation, negotiate with insurance companies and other parties, file a lawsuit if necessary, and represent you in court, maximize your recovery and secure your future. If you are looking for a Houston maritime attorney who can help you with your case, I recommend you check out some of the top-rated attorneys in this field. Here are some of them. Scott Christ from the Christ Law Firm. He has over 31 years of experience in representing injured maritime workers and has won numerous awards and recognitions for his work. 1. Timothy Strickland from Strickland Law Firm. He has over 31 years of experience in handling complex maritime cases and has successfully litigated cases in state and federal courts. 1. Stacy Norstrud from Strickland Law Firm. She has over 22 years of experience in practicing maritime law and has handled cases involving offshore drilling accidents, vessel collisions, cargo claims, and more. 1. Farnaz Alms from Strickland Law Firm. She is a former engineer who has a deep understanding of the technical aspects of maritime cases. She has represented clients in cases involving oil spills, explosions, fires, and more. 1. Gregory Baumgartner from Baumgartner Law Firm. He has over 40 years of experience in helping injured maritime workers and their families. He offers free consultations and video conferencing too. Patrick Dennis from Arnold & Atkin LLP. He has over 18 years of experience in fighting for the rights of injured maritime workers. He has won over $10 billion for his clients. 3. Patrick Daniel from Daniel Law Firm. He has over 22 years of experience in handling personal injury cases involving maritime accidents. He has obtained record-breaking verdicts and settlements for his clients. 2. Clay Dugas from Clay Dugas and Associates. He has over 41 years of experience in representing victims of maritime accidents. He offers free consultations and works on a contingency fee basis. 2. Michael Doyle from Doyle LLP Trial Lawyers. He has over 33